Good morning, this is Keith Renna with the Renna Lending Team of Prospect Mortgage. Today is May 6, 2010, and want to bring to you today's mortgage update. Rates for the past couple of days have remained unchanged. That is good news. Rates have been on an upward trend for the past 45 days, so the unchanging in the interest rate is a good thing. Rates right now are in the low 5% range. With pain points, you can get down to the upper 4s, and if you're interested in an ARM, a 5-year ARM, on the FHA financing, rates are in that low 4% range, and on the conventional financing, rates are actually in the mid-3s. It's the 30-year fixed rate that's in the low 5s to the upper 4s. So the ARMs, even though there's less security long-term, those interest rates are relatively enticing at this point, and we'll probably continue to see a bit of a gap from this point moving forward in terms of what that interest rate is on a 30-year fix versus what it will be on an ARM. So the ARMs may become a bit more enticing for home buyers as we move forward into the market, just due to the fact that it's offering such a lower rate. Now, rates moving forward, the overall trend will still be upwards. We're seeing rates for the time being level off because of what's going on with the debt crisis in Europe. Those investors are pulling their funds out of those stocks, and they're putting them in relatively fixed securities, which happen to be our mortgage bonds. So that's why we're seeing things level off for the time being. But once this debt crisis eases a little bit, once the pressure over there eases, we will more than likely see rates start to increase upwards. So now is the time to lock in your interest rate. If you have an open escrow, or if you are looking for a property, opening an escrow sooner than later would be advantageous, so you have the opportunity to lock in your interest rate. And if you currently own real estate and you haven't yet refinanced a property that you're interested in refinancing, I would certainly do so sooner than later. Lock in that great 30-year fixed rate, or if it's a short-term loan for you, perhaps take a look at the 5-year ARM. If you have mortgage-related questions, please do feel comfortable contacting me. I can be reached at 661-290-3817, and enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you. Bye-bye.